Hi friends! This morning I decided to just give you a tour of the workshop so you could see what my plans are and what we intend on doing down here. And so I'll give you a quick tour. That'll be today's video. All right, let's get started. So this is my workbench, but we still have quite a bit to do on it. I do want to put some legs at the bottom just to give it more stability, and probably put a sheet of plywood at the bottom so I can have more storage and things like that. Back behind me, I do want to get a cabinet of some sort or a bench, and then make a tool wall. So that's here. What I'm going to put in everything, I'm not quite sure yet. And here I have to build workbenches for everything. And I also have to eventually unbox this dust collector, which will make this situation disappear. So I have this up because inside there I have my computers, my laser engraver, I'll show you that, and the 3D printer and all that stuff in a second. So the goal after I finish building this 6-foot table is to build tool stands for the miter saw, the drill press, the bandsaw, the planer. I don't want the planer up here. This actually toolbox will go right there. I want to close up the areas that are open. This is where I'm keeping all my wood. Sorry for the mess. But I want to put I want to make like wood storage under the steps. I think that'll be good. There's my pallet wood pile that I still have to finish. In there, I'm going to enclose the gym. We have a little gym that my wife and I made. So I'll enclose that up there. So we have a little workout room there. It does the trick. And yeah, so I have a lot of things to build to make this the workshop of my dreams. I have more tools here. Yes, that's a welder. Don't ask. One day. All right. And then in here, so back here is going to be like my office / study / whatever I want to make it. But once I get the dust collector moving and everything has somewhere for the dust to go, I'll remove these plastic sheeting, this plastic sheeting. All right, so in here, it's just, like I said, it's just the beginning of everything. So we have bookshelves back there from IKEA that I need to set up, the Cricut, that's the laser engraver. That's my stuff for podcasting one time in my life. Yes, I have a lot of dreams and goals, people. There's a 3D printer. And then there's some stuff for leather making. So I have a lot to clean up. This is a disaster. I know this. But that's going to be the fun, right? Is just getting everything set up and cleaned and organized. Good working space. That's a vise I have to put on the table. There's the table. And this corded mess, that's fun, huh? I purchased, well, actually I didn't purchase. I think I got them for Christmas. These hoses that come out of the ceiling. And when I had electric put in, they put outlets up top there and there. So, oh, the ceiling. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I want to put foam and paint it black. I have a vision of how I want everything to look. So, yeah, so that's my workspace. It's a great size. More tools. It's a great size, and there's just a lot of work to be done, as anybody who has a workshop knows. It's constant. So this weekend I'm going to not bore you with a video, but clean up everything, get a fresh start for Monday, and then just keep cracking. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.